If you need to combine multiple PDFs into one file, there are 100 free tools that claim to do this. Some of them may work one time, but if you are dealing with important documents, client files, contracts, reports, you don't want to be uploading sensitive business information to some random website that you know nothing about. That's just not a great idea. Let me show you pdfFiller, which is going to allow you to merge PDFs securely, cleanly inside the platform that is actually built for business use. And it's worth mentioning, it's HIPAA compliant, SOC 2 certified, and that means your data isn't going anywhere. This whole process is going to take you less than 2 minutes, and you're gonna wish you knew about this sooner. Plus, there is a free trial linked in the first link in the description down below. Now, let me walk you through the whole process from beginning to end. So here we are inside my pdfFiller account. I had just created an account online, and you could see that there is an option right on your homepage to merge PDFs. I'm going to click right here on merge. Then I'm going to select from device, and I'm going to select all 4 of these PDFs here. As you could see, I could select multiple at the same time. If you want to select more, you could just click here on this button, but I've already set up all 4, and so I'm going to now click merge. First, I'm going to rename the file. Then from there, I'm going to reorganize the files in the order that I need them to be. This first document would actually go at the very bottom, and then the content strategy document here will go at the very top. And just like that, I organized the 4 PDFs in the order I want. But if you do want more advanced features and you want to control which pages and the order of all the content, you could actually click advanced settings, which is going to take you into a more robust editing experience. You could already see here on the right side, it shows me the number of total pages. It also shows me all the documents, and I could come in here and select or unselect pages according to what I want in the final PDF. So in this case, I'm going to exclude a few pages, and now I am ready to merge. Just like that, you see it working, and now the PDF is set. Now you could see here, I could edit the name if I need to, and I could select the final destination, which can link to Google Drive, Box, OneDrive, or Dropbox automatically. From here, I'm just going to download it to my desktop, and I'll just click download, and you'll see that it has downloaded the PDF, and now I have all 26 pages linked in one PDF in just under a minute. Now, as you can see, you could go back into your account and make any customizations that you like. You could rearrange pages, you could add text to the pages. As you can see, there's an entire menu of options here to choose from of things that you could do with your content. If you need to merge even more files in, you could do that as well. And going back to my dashboard, you can see here that I have all the PDFs I originally added, as well as the merged PDF in my account. So as you can see, there are a lot more features that we have not covered that pdfFiller offers, and we just began scratching the surface. But if you need to merge a PDF and you want to get started with the free trial, click that first link down below in the description, and you can get started right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.